Ever felt that knot in your stomach when you think about your investments? Like, what if, just what if, everything goes sideways? We put our hard-earned money into platforms like StashAway, hoping for growth, for a secure future, but the question lingers, is it really safe? Is StashAway insured? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, the world of digital investing can feel a bit like the Wild West. You hear stories, you see the disclaimers, and you're left wondering, okay, but what happens if something actually goes wrong? Now, StashAway, for those who might be new, is a digital wealth management platform. They use sophisticated algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios. It's designed to be hands-off, accessible, and, hopefully, profitable. But that doesn't automatically mean it's immune to risk. The core of the issue lies in understanding what insured actually means in the context of investing. It's not like insuring your car or your house. You're not insuring against market fluctuations, because those are inherent to investing. You're looking for protection against things like fraud, platform failure, or the custodian holding your assets going bust. So, let's break down how StashAway addresses these concerns. Firstly, StashAway is a licensed fund management company. This means they operate within regulatory frameworks, which vary depending on the region. In Singapore, for instance, they're regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. This oversight provides a layer of protection, as they're required to adhere to strict guidelines. Secondly, and crucially, your assets are held with a custodian. This is a separate entity, typically a large, reputable bank, that holds your investments. This segregation is vital. If StashAway were to go under, your assets are still held by the custodian, and they are legally yours. This is a fundamental safeguard. Now, here's where things get a bit nuanced. StashAway itself isn't insured in the way you might think. There's no single insurance policy that guarantees your investments against all losses. However, the assets held by the custodian are often protected under their own insurance and regulatory framework. For example, in the U.S., custodians are often members of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC, which provides some protection against the loss of securities if the brokerage firm fails. Furthermore, StashAway emphasizes risk management through diversification. Their algorithms are designed to spread your investments across various asset classes, reducing the impact of any single investment performing poorly. This isn't insurance, but it's a strategy to mitigate risk. It's also important to understand the role of your own understanding of the investment. StashAway is transparent about the risks involved. They provide detailed information about their strategies and the potential for losses. No investment is guaranteed. The market fluctuates, and your portfolio's value can go up and down. So, is StashAway insured? In the traditional sense, no. There isn't a blanket insurance policy covering your investments against all losses. However, there are multiple layers of protection in place, including regulatory oversight, asset segregation through custodians, and risk management strategies. Ultimately, you need to do your own due diligence. Understand the risks, read the fine print, and make informed decisions. Don't rely solely on the platform's claims. Look into the custodian, understand the regulatory environment, and assess your own risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.